Hello everyone. Welcome to another food review on the 1986 Bed Sacker channel. Today we got some fried fish, some mixture of rice, and some asparagus. What kind of flour did you put in this fish there, Dad?
What?
What flour did you put?
Flavors?
Yeah.
Cajun spice.
Cajun spice. Got Cajun spice in there. We got some asparagus and get some rice in there. So, hand me the tartar sauce, please.
You like it?
Yeah.
Got some tartar sauce. This is fresh as big boy tartar sauce I picked up at Myers. It's gonna be good. So, got some asparagus. So let's take a bite of this bad boy.
I don't think we're supposed to be talking.
Here it is. This is real good. How do you like this there, Robert Dyer? Take a bite of some rice here. It's good rice around. And some asparagus. Delicious. I would like to give this a perfect 10.
You did good.
I'll wash down
You cooked it, right?
some Coke. Thanks. Did good with the rice there, Sue.
Thank you.
And did good with the fish there, Dad. And you did good with the asparagus, Sue. Sue made the asparagus and the rice. Dad made the fish. So I'm gonna finish this food here since I sign off. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.